Are you guys a little feeling awkward about walking into somebody's house?
Hey buddy, what do you see out there?
A rainbow.
Nobody ever comes to their houses out here. This is like totally secluded.
It's a video? Uh-oh.
This is our old gate right here. Doorbell? Welcome to the Best Western, what we're gonna call spaceship pool. It's nighttime and they have a giant bubble that's over the pool and they have it dark in here. Thank you to Best Western Hotels and Resorts for sponsoring this video. We are right now in one of our favorite cities in America. So what I thought would be fun for today's video is to take you guys to the house that we first lived in when we lived in Albuquerque, when Lincoln was just like this little 2-year-old, 3-year-old, just a little guy. He learned how to golf and had so much fun here, and hopefully I just want to go knock on the door and see if these people will let us in and hopefully see the house that we used to live in. So yeah, this is going to be a very special video to me and to Lincoln, to go visit some old friends and to see our old house and show you guys some crazy footage that we've never put anywhere on the internet. But before we hit the road, like I said earlier, this video is sponsored by Best Western Hotels and Resorts. And let me tell you why we love Best Western. First of all, today's Best Western offers exceptional value in their hotels. Every employee that we have met inside of this Best Western has been incredibly kind and had great service. From the front desk people to the restaurant when we went and ate breakfast this morning. We are all checked in. We even got the world's largest cookie. Room number 236. Okay, some of the hotels are themed based off of the locations that they're in. This Albuquerque one feels just like a New Mexico property, which really makes me feel at home as somebody that lived in Albuquerque for 3.5 years. Look inside of the elevator even. Fancy wooden panel doors. This is a nice touch. So whether you're just visiting or you're somebody that's from New Mexico, you can't help but get that New Mexico spirit just by walking in the front door of this hotel. And also Lincoln and I came in for a very fast trip, so our flight is at 7 in the morning tomorrow. And so we want to be able to get some good sleep, and the Best Western beds are super comfortable. And two important things to me, they have free Wi-Fi and they have breakfast available. That's free at most of the Best Westerns. And also this, Best Western Rewards. They have an award-winning loyalty program that's free to join. And if you are a member of Best Western Rewards, if you go onto the website, there's going to be exclusive low pricing for Best Western Rewards members. So you can be guaranteed that you're going to be getting the best price at Best Western when you're a Best Western Rewards member. And pretty much year round, they have incredible perks and great promotions that can get you even more points for when you stay at Best Western hotels. So make sure that you register for Best Western Rewards. I'll put a link in the description so you can do that. And then go to bestwestern.com and set up your next trip. You're going to get the lowest prices guaranteed from their website. It's the little touches at this hotel that I really appreciate. Like, I have never seen a better shrine to a fire extinguisher ever. Is that not fancy? This is our friend Ty. You've seen him in our Lake Powell video. You've seen him when him and Lincoln did a vlog all by themselves, Lincoln's first ever vlog. He lives in New Mexico, and he's gonna let us borrow his car and have us take us around to our house. So let's do this, Ty. It's good to see you, buddy. So this is it. This is the neighborhood that we used to live in, which is this little town called Corrales. And it's right along the Rio Grande River, and it's beautiful. The speed limit is like 25 to 35 throughout this whole thing. And it's just this peaceful, beautiful, especially right now with like the yellow trees. It's just gorgeous. And so we're gonna go see the house. Lincoln, do you even remember how to get to the house?
I have no clue how to get to it. Once like we're turning up the main street, I know like the winds in the road and stuff, but I don't know how to actually get to it.
We rented this house thinking we are gonna be here for 2 years and then I'm gonna get the heck out of Albuquerque, because who wants to live in Albuquerque? Well, after 6 months of living in the house, we fell in love with this city and we just decided this is where we wanna live. And so we actually bought the house from the people that own the house. And then 3.5 years after living there, I got a really good opportunity that I couldn't pass up that took us back to Utah, back to Kaysville, where we got the keys to the city. But it was really, really hard to leave this place. So we're just gonna go knock on the door right now. I don't know who lives there. I don't know what it's like. Maybe they're cool, maybe they're not, maybe nobody's there, but we're just gonna go up and knock on the door and film it and show you guys what it's like and show you our old house. This is gonna be kind of weird walking up with the camera and knocking on our old house. Let's do it. All right, so we gotta stop at this pool, and I'm sure it's closed this time of year.
Yeah.
This is a clubhouse, and this was the community pool. It's closed for the winter. But that was it. There's our little pool. Okay. Okay, do the front one where you fall down. Come back further, get away from that pole. Remember? Come closer to fall. And then I'd have Lincoln run and jump, and I would throw the football at him, and he'd have to catch it in the air before he hit the water.
That's fun.
Do you remember any of this?
Yeah, I remember all of this. And there's like, if you go in here, then there's like downstairs, and then there's another gym.
That's true. I hope you're enjoying these like old videos of our life and the place that we used to live. This is a special place for us, but now this is like a little condo community basically. And it's mostly retirees that live in this neighborhood. But right at the end of the street, somebody decided to take the condo and build a second story on it. And so once they built the second story, it made it, I think, 3,500 or 3,600 square feet. So for us, it was perfect. And the other good thing is that most people that even live in this little town of Corrales don't even know that this little community exists. And if they turned in here, there's so many speed bumps, and as you're driving up the road, you know you're not going the right direction, and so usually people would turn around. So if any cars ever came to where our house was, we knew they were visiting us, or else it was something sketchy, and we had to like see what's going down. So anyway, enough talk. Here we go. Let's go find our place.
There she is.
This is it. This is our old house right here. There's a truck here. Are you guys a little feeling awkward about walking into somebody's house? Because they'll know already.
Yeah.
And there's a doorbell on the outside, but they're gonna know
yeah.
that nobody ever comes to their houses out here.
Oh, yeah.
This is like totally secluded. This blue gate over here, I love. This gate is blue. This is our old gate right here. Doorbell? Hello.
Hi.
We used to live at this house, and so we just had to come by and see the place
Are
we
you
used to
Mark?
live. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Good to meet you.
Nice to
Come
meet
on
you.
in.
I'm Dan Markham. Look at this. There's grass inside of here.
She knew. She was like, "Are you guys?
Are you Dan Markham? That's what she said. Dan. Did she say Dan Markham?
Are you guys the Markhams?"
Oh, that's awesome. They put artificial turf right here. We could put a putting hole right there and putt.
That's immediately what you think.
And look, there's a waterfall. Okay, this
That's
is awesome.
a water hazard right there. That's perfect.
We got one dog right here, one dog right there. They're both just like, what are you guys up to? Don't scare him, Lincoln. You're gonna make him not like you even more. Do you remember what happened right here in this spot?
Right there.
Right where you were at.
This is where we hung the piñata for my 3rd birthday.
This is it, right here. This beautiful rug, like really unique rug. And then we just had the piñata right there. And I would just hang it down and we would smash the piñata.
What is that in here? What's in there? Oh, he whacked the wheels off.
Hold on, let me do another hit.
Oh, he dented the front fender. Yay! I think that's good enough, Daddy.
Okay, this is pretty amazing. The current owners of our home are super nice, and they let us come in and see the house. A lot of the stuff is the same, and I just get these memories of like, this is one of the greatest times of our life as a young family. This yard right here, we did a few things, and I'm gonna show you a couple of videos. One of them is Lincoln learned how to do a slip and slide.
That was a fail.
He was not good at slip and slides. Right here, slip and slide.
Yep.
Okay, Claire, your turn. There's a sandbox right here, and Claire would come in here and she would like put her pacifier in it and she would eat it and get dirt all over her face. Ew. Look how beautiful this is. These are the Sandia Mountains right there.
The best view to watch like the balloon fiesta. Or
Yes.
Like, yeah.
Every night of the balloon fiesta, there's fireworks that come up just beyond that. Every morning you see hundreds of balloons that just rise up and come and float all over here. And then I actually came and cut the turf and put this hole in here, and Lincoln used to chip and putt all over in this backyard and hit golf balls. So Lincoln, he has a wedge, it's a righty. Let's do it, let's recreate it. No, first try, are you kidding me? Oh! Nice one, buddy. That really was the first try. He just nailed it. Okay, this is good karma. Have you ever wanted to go back to one of your old houses and see it? Like, this is amazing. The last fun thing that I don't have a video of is this right here we used to put cardboard boxes in here, like a ton of them, and then we would light it, and you would see a flame that would go up like 10 feet out of the top. All right, Ty, you can make one?
No.
Let's do it. Mr. Righty, you're righty, you can make it. Oh, it's going in! Yeah, there we go. It's okay, we don't have footage of you as a little kid here. You didn't have to make it. Okay, go for it. This used to be Lincoln's bedroom.
This is my room. My bed is right here.
Okay, go out on the deck, because I'm trying to think of videos and moments that we had while we lived here. And one of my favorite ones.
It's a double rainbow!
Hey buddy, what do you see out there?
A rainbow.
Show me where it is.
Like you. I like you.
Wow. It's a beautiful rainbow.
Yeah.
This tree over here got struck by lightning while we lived here.
And it was like halfway down.
Crazy, crazy memories, guys. This is so much fun and unexpected. What a trip. Do you remember very much from here?
Oh yeah, I could have walked through the entire house and I know what every room was. Like that room right there is the guest room. Right beyond that was Claire's bathroom. Right beyond that was Claire's room. And then there's like a little secret room. And then, yeah, I can remember everything.
That was a fun walk down memory lane. Thanks for letting me indulge you in some of those old videos. I hope that you enjoyed them. Hey, Lincoln. So the sun is setting in about 5 or 10 minutes and we thought this would be a great time to go to Old Town. There's the bubble where the pool is, so all year round they have the pool. It's beautiful in the summer, but in the winter you have it. And then here's the property. Very, very large, big entrance here. The reason why we came to the Best Western off of Rio Grande is that it's really close to everything. You can get a shuttle to all of these different historical areas. The zoo is close by, the Science Museum, and Old Town, which is like the place you've got to go if you're in Albuquerque. We're taking the shuttle to Old Town. Made it to Old Town. First class service. One of the really cool things that you can do in Old Town is that you have a lot of people that are Native Americans that are selling the handmade jewelry. A lot of it has turquoise on it because like turquoise color is really popular here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So looks like they might be closing up for the night, but let's see if there's anything cool that we can buy.
I think that one will fit Claire.
That one looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay, get that for Claire. That is perfect for London. Okay, Lincoln, you picked out the London one. Ty got that one. All right. How much do we owe you for those two?
Just 10 even.
All right. If you are ever in Albuquerque, make sure you stay at the Best Western and you take the shuttle to the Old Town.
Yeah.
It was free other than the tip money that we gave to those guys. And we bought some cool jewelry. It's like, it's so close to the airport that it's like, if you're already in town, come to Old Town, check out the sights, go get some food. There's a restaurant back there that has a giant tree that goes right through the middle of the restaurant, and it's the best New Mexican food. And yes, there is a difference between New Mexican food and Mexican food. It's a real thing. Green chili, red chili, the way that they make their enchiladas and everything here, it's like nowhere else in the world. Fun fact, we filmed what's inside of a rain stick. And we bought that here.
Oh yeah, that's right. I totally
We did it. It was this gift shop. We're gonna go in this gift shop. It has the craziest, coolest things inside of it.
Oh, that's what this was.
This was
okay,
it,
I remembered
dude.
we went somewhere and bought something. I
Yes,
forgot
this
what
is
it
the
was.
place. There are so many
Yeah.
cool things in here. Dude, how do you even choose between all these?
Look at those socks.
Lincoln likes the warmer socks. Maracas! Dude, we should get you guys 2 of these
These are so fun. I love these.
Why is yours so pointy, Lincoln? It's so pointy.
Mine is too. It's just.
Oh, okay, all right, there we go. Dude, Rainstick, this is what we cut open here. Do you know what's inside of this?
I don't.
It's a bunch of cactus spikes. One thing I don't get, you've got this pouch of 1 dozen rattlesnake eggs. Like, do they really hatch into something? Do they hatch into anything?
No.
They don't hatch anything?
No, it's rice. It's like a joke.
It's a joke?
Yeah.
That's even more sad. The ice cream was good. Cookies and cream. no, I got cookie dough. What'd you guys get?
Cookies and cream.
Yeah, same. Really, really good. Look at this. We got some art here on the bed for us. That is to represent our 18 birdies golfing today.
Oh, yeah, it's true.
That was a really special day. Not only were we tourists in Albuquerque, one of my favorite cities in the world, but we also got to see the house that we lived in for so long. So this
So cool.
This is really cool, right?
was awesome.
And we got to hang out with Ty, of course. Ty's the coolest. We were able to do this super fun trip today thanks to Best Western Hotels and Resorts for sponsoring this video. Really, really fun trip. Really, really fun day. And yeah, one day in Albuquerque, one Saturday in Albuquerque. We had so much fun. Now we're gonna go to sleep and take the shuttle to the airport, say goodbye to our friend Ty, and back home to see the girls. So super fun trip. Hope you guys enjoyed it.